Realme launched its new smartphone under C-series in Vietnam called Realme C85 Pro, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C85 Pro features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C85 Pro sports a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.99 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C85 Pro has been priced in Vietnam for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 6,490,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 7,090,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in parrot purple and peacock green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C85 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.